Hey guys, on opening the software, you will find a welcome screen. In the middle of it, you will find recent projects, and on the left side, you will see new projects and open projects. So, you all are new to After Effects. Let's start with new project. So, there are 5 most important panels. On the left is a project window where we will import, keep, and organize all our footage like audio, videos, images, and so on. In the middle, it's a preview window where we can see the final output. And on the right side, there are multiple sections which include characters. The characters are like font size, style, and all. Then paragraph, align, effects panel, which is a wide range of pre-installed library of After Effects for transition, text animation, and effects like 2D, 3D, vibes, rain, and sphere. I'll teach you in the later classes. At the bottom, we have a timeline. If you are not aware of timeline, let me describe it. A timeline is a combination of frames which shows a visual representation of time, with each frame or keyframe designated a specific point of horizontal axis. Animators can add and manipulate individual frames or keyframes within the timeline to create complex animation with multiple moving parts and synchronized sound effects. At top, we have a toolbar which contains a set of tools. Also, there are 2 arrows at top right corner which shows multiple workspace. The best one is all panel. I just love it. Explore all, but set at all panel for now, as I am gonna use the same in the entire video.